Ever fumbled with a clunky POS system in a crowded restaurant? Tempers flaring? Hangry customers muttering under their breath? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if your POS could be the secret weapon that streamlines operations, keeps customers happy, and frees you up to focus on what really matters, creating a phenomenal dining experience? That's the promise of TouchBistro, an iPad-based POS system designed specifically for restaurants. But with so many options on the market, is TouchBistro the right fit for you? Buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep to find out if TouchBistro can be the key to unlocking your restaurant's full potential. From chaos to calm, the allure of a smooth-running system. Let's face it, running a restaurant is no walk in the park. Between managing staff, keeping inventory stocked, and ensuring customers have a flawless experience, it's easy to feel like you're being pulled in a million directions. A good POS system should be an extension of yourself, a seamless tool that simplifies these tasks, not adds to them. TouchBistro boasts a user-friendly interface that prides itself on being easy to learn, even for tech-timid staff. Imagine waiters whipping up orders on iPads, firing them straight to the kitchen with a tap. No more garbled shouts across a busy dining room. No more room for errors. Inventory management becomes a breeze with real-time tracking, helping you avoid those dreaded stockouts that can cripple a service. Happy customers, happy business. Building loyalty in the digital age. But a POS system isn't just about internal efficiency. In today's digital world, customer experience is king. TouchBistro offers features specifically designed to keep your patrons coming back for more. Imagine loyalty programs that reward repeat customers, targeted promotions that keep them engaged, and split-second bill payments that get them out the door quickly and happily. TouchBistro even integrates with online ordering platforms, allowing customers to seamlessly place orders for pickup or delivery, a must-have in today's on-demand society. The ability to manage online reviews directly through the system empowers you to address customer concerns promptly and maintain a positive online reputation. Under the hood, unveiling the strengths and weaknesses. So far, so good, right? But before you jump on the TouchBistro bandwagon, let's take a peek under the hood and see if there are any hidden gremlins lurking. While TouchBistro excels in user-friendliness and boasts a comprehensive feature set, some users report limitations compared to more robust POS systems. For instance, TouchBistro might not be the best fit for high-volume restaurants with complex needs. Additionally, some users mention initial setup requiring a bit more time and effort compared to simpler systems. TouchBistro shines for independent restaurants, cafes, and bars seeking a user-friendly and affordable system that streamlines operations and keeps customers happy. However, if you run a large-scale operation with intricate needs, you might require a more feature-rich solution. Is TouchBistro a POS superhero or sidekick? The answer, like most things in life, is it depends. TouchBistro isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, but for a significant portion of the restaurant industry, it can be a game-changer. If you're looking for a user-friendly system that simplifies daily tasks, fosters customer loyalty, and keeps your waitstaff smiling, then TouchBistro is definitely worth a closer look. Remember, the best POS system is the one that perfectly complements your unique business needs. Do your research, consider free trials offered by many POS providers, and don't be afraid to ask questions. With the right tools in place, your restaurant can transform from a chaotic scramble to a well-oiled machine, ready to take the customer experience to new heights. That said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy serving.